Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we had a change. We were gonna do those random square stones of concrete. We had to reschedule that, so instead we were gonna be doing a driveway, a 16.5 by 27 driveway with a curved walkway. Stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. We'll see you then, guys. Have a great day. Let's see what she got, guys. I'm gonna let her break some concrete. So one of the benefits of laying out road base the way we do using a rod is obviously to get an even thickness throughout the slab. You don't want your slab to be thicker in one side, thinner on another by a lot. But the unforeseen benefit is if you're ever trying to learn how to muck or rod concrete, it's a good practice run so that you can learn how to communicate between you and your mucker. If someone wants to learn how to rod, you can have them grab one end while you grab the other. Is it like rodding concrete or mucking concrete? No, but it's a good chance for me and my wife to learn how to communicate with one another, and it gives her a chance to understand how to muck better. And occasionally when I get a big long rod out, she'll grab one end or the other. That's one of the big benefits to this, besides the obvious even thickness through the slab. Wherever you cut joints, it'll crack there, because since it's all even thickness, that thinner spot where you do your joint, you will more than likely get the crack where you want it. But apart from that, I wanted just to point that out, that this is a good time to practice how to muck and rod if you're ever wanting to teach somebody with the road base, because it gives you time and it's not setting up like concrete would. So in this morning right here, I was busy having to do oil changes on our compactors, on a new generator that we're breaking in. So my wife was able to go through and basically do all this rebar laying for this morning, which gave me time to do my thing. Goes to show you that in a short time, just how much she's progressed, how helpful she is. She handled all this while I was busy doing my thing. All right, guys, everything's good, prepped to go. We got the rebar in. Framing was pretty easy, actually. Everything's in there. There it is. We compacted the heck out of subgrade. We have an average of 3.5 to 4 inches thick on the concrete. Remember, 2x4s are 3.5 inches thick. That's usually what everyone's pouring, even though they say 4 inches. Either way, we still overdo it. You can see the little tiny gap under the 2x4 the whole way, most of the way. So we're pretty closer to 4. But anyways, there it is. The customer wanted the sidewalk a little higher than it was before to make that step smaller. We got a curve here. Everything's in. We drilled a couple dowels. Not that many. We don't want to transfer the load, but no, we do not put expansion down there. We have some right over there. Big issue that happens in our line of work is that expansion fails. It allows water in and it lifts it up. What happens if you don't have the expansion? Well, you know, concrete doesn't have room to expand. Yes, it does. Down there, and you might get a crack extra, who knows, but we don't put it up there because that's where we see a big point of failure in our industry, at least here in Colorado. So we like getting a nice flush seal over there so water doesn't get in and cause an issue. All right, guys, well, see you guys tomorrow. We're pouring at 10 since it's kind of cool. Thanks, guys. Bye. Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So the pour went well, poured at 10 o'clock, 5-inch slump, 4,000 microfiber. Everything went really good. We were really happy with it. I had to stay on leaf duty. Mother Nature was really trying to get us the whole time, but having a leaf blower makes that a lot easier. Now that it's broomed, the leaves will go on there, but they'll kind of bounce off. They will leave a couple marks, I won't deny it, but I mean, that's what happens. Unless you're gonna pour the only 2 good months out of the year, you got to deal with this stuff throughout the year. But there it is, guys. Pour went well, nothing too special. Came out really nice. And there goes the leaves. Whee! They're not coming onto the driveway anymore because we're done. But if we would have been on there, they'd probably be coming at us. Oh, look at that. There it comes. Whee! Well, anyways, guys, next week we're not certain what we're doing. We have a color patio, which I think can't be done because it's too cold. I don't like covering color concrete. It gets discolored by blankets. So we might be doing just the regular gray patios with sidewalks. We shall see. But thanks for stopping by. Thanks for taking a look. Leave us a like, subscribe. I will see you guys next week. See you later, guys.